Welcome to solverfy.
So 2 graphical displays suitable for studying the distribution of the heights of trees at age 1 year are a histogram. This provides a visual representation of the distribution of a continuous variable, which would be the heights of trees at age 1 year. The bins can show the frequency of the density of trees within a specific height range. B would be a box and whisker plot. By the way, your histogram is going to look something like this. And these look something like this. So it's a box plot, and it shows the central tendency and spread of the height distribution, and it reveals the different quartiles. So this would be like Q3, quartile 2, quartile 1, as well as a median, and then a max and a min. So this gives some really helpful information. Part 2, a graphical display suitable for showing the number of trees alive at each age is, so this would be survival curve, so called a Kaplan-Meier curve. It's appropriate for displaying the number of trees that remain alive at different ages, and it's used in a survival analysis to depict the probability of survival over time. So for this Kaplan-Meier curve, it's going to be more like a traditional graph, something like this, where you have like stairs plotted off the X and Y. So you could have like 1 to 10 and 0 to 10 up here, something like that. And then part 3, you want 2 graphical displays suitable for studying the way that the heights of the trees depend on the ages they are. So you could do a line plot, also called a line graph. And this can be used to show the trend in height over different ages. And each line represents the heights of trees at a specific age, allowing for a visual assessment of how the heights change as the trees age. And then next you could do a scatter plot. So a line graph is going to look something like this. Different points, and then you can kind of connect them at the end. Whereas a scatter plot, you'd have like a line of best fit around some different kind of scattered data, and this would be like your trend line. So for the scatter plot, it displays the relationship between the age and height of individual trees, and each point on the plot represents a tree, with the x-axis indicating the age and the y-axis indicating the height, age and height. And then you can look at patterns, trends, and potential outliers. So, thank you.